Hello. So today in our session, we are going to learn about structure of an atom. Before that, let's recollect something that we already knew. We all know what is an atom, right? Yes. An atom is the smallest unit of a matter. So everything you see around is made of lakhs of atoms together. Now, what's a molecule? A molecule is a group of atoms. Consider this example of water molecule, which is H2O. A water molecule is made of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen together. Got it? Yes. Now let's recall what's electron and proton. Electron are negatively charged particle inside the atom, while protons are the positively charged particle inside the atom. All good. Now let's talk about the models of atom. There are three models of atom. The first one is Thomson's model. The second one is Rutherford model. And the third one is Bohr's model. Now let's go in detail about models of an atom. The first one is Thomson's model. So according to Thomson's model, atoms are positively charged sphere where electrons are embedded in it. Both the positive and negative charges are equal in number, thus every atom is neutral. This can be easily depicted with the example of a watermelon. Have you seen a watermelon? Good. So if you consider the melon as an atom, the red portion is the positively charged particle, while the negatively charged black seeds are embedded in it. Got it? Any confusion? All good. Then comes Rutherford with his experimental model of atom. So according to Rutherford, he conducted an experiment with alpha particles that fall into a thin gold foil as you see in this picture. He then observed that most of the alpha particle pass through gold foil and some deflect in small angles. So he made a conclusion from this that most of the space of atom is empty and very few deflected alpha rays that indicates that positive charge occupies very little space in atom. And deflection of rays at 180-degree indicated that positive charges and the mass of the atom is concentrated towards the center of the atom. And with all these conclusions, he proposed his model of atom that positively charged center of atom is called nucleus, and nearly all the mass of atom is located in this nucleus. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular paths, and size of the nucleus is very small compared to the size of the atom. But his theory was not completely accepted as it is not able to justify the stability of matter. We know that all the matter we see around is stable, right? But he proposed that this electrons continuously revolve around the nucleus. So anything that revolve will emit energy and it will not be stable. So that's a drawback of Rutherford's model. And then come Bohr with his model of atom. So according to Bohr, electrons are occupied in special orbits or discrete orbits or energy levels as depicted. So it is named 1, 2, 3, 4 or KLMN respectively. Okay. And then later J. Chadwick discovered neutrally charged particle called neutrons. The neutrons have mass equal to proton and which is located in the nucleus of the atom. All good. Now, let's discuss how electrons are distributed in orbits. So we already know orbits are energy levels called as K, L, M, N, or yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the theory of distribution of electrons says that maximum electrons a shell can occupy is 2x square, where x is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as in this table, for K, the first energy shell can have a maximum of 2 into 1 square, that is equal to 2 number of electrons, while L can have 2 into 2 square, that is 8 number of electrons. M can have 18 number of electrons, and N can have a maximum of 32 number of electrons. The theory also states that the maximum number of electrons that can accommodate by the outermost orbit is 8. All good. So that's it. We have completed our chapter. I'm happily here to clear any doubts from you. Thank you.